Hello and welcome to Maths with Udom. I still remain your online mathematics tutor, Mr. Okon Udom. So today we are going to look at subtraction of mixed numbers. Subtraction of mixed numbers. Remember, mixed numbers are also known as mixed fractions. Okay? So whenever you come across the word mixed number, it also means mixed fractions. So we are going to look at how do we subtract mixed fractions or mixed numbers together. How do we simplify them? So let's quickly start. So I'm going to start by writing the topic on the board. So let's start. Okay? So we have subtraction of what? Of mixed numbers. Subtraction of what? Mixed numbers. Okay? So let's get that underlined. Subtraction of mixed numbers. So let's have our examples, okay? For today, examples. Our examples is that we are going to simplify the following fraction. Simplify the following. Okay? Number one, what do we have? 6 whole number 5/12 minus 3 whole number 3/4. Okay? Then number 2, we have 8 whole number 7/9. Take away 4 whole number 5/9. So let's quickly look at these two examples. Okay? Let's solve them and then we'll get our answers. Okay? So let's get this on the line. Now, to solve any of these, we can use two methods to solve this. Okay? So let's move to method 1. I'm going to teach you two methods. Okay, method 1. 6 whole number 5/12 minus 3 whole number 3/4. Okay, so the first thing to do is to convert what? Is to convert this what? Mixed fraction into what? Into an improper fraction. Okay, so how do we do that? So we have 12 multiplied by 6. So 12 times 6 will give us 72. Okay? So 12 times 6 is 72. So 72 plus 5 will give us 77. So we have 77 divided by 12 minus 4 times 3 is what? 12. 12 plus 3 will give us what? 15. 15 divided by 4. So the next thing we need to find the LCM of what? Of our denominators what? 12 and 4. So let's find the LCM of 12 and 4. So let's do that right away. 12 and 4. So what can go through here? 2. 2 in 12, 6. 2 in 4, 2. 2 again can go. 2 in 6, 3. 2 in 2, 1. 3 can go. 3 in 3, 1. 3 in 1, 1. So our LCM is when we multiply these two numbers together. So we have 2 times 2 times 3. So our LCM will be what? 2 times 2, 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. So our LCM is 12. Then we'll come to this side and we'll write the division line. We'll write 12. Okay? Alright, so how many 12 can go in 12? 1. 1 times 77 is still what? 77. minus. How many 4 can go in 12? 3. 3 times 15 will give us what? 45. Okay? Alright, so the next thing is for us to subtract the numerators. Now, what is 77 take away 45? That will give us 32. Okay? 32, because 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. Divided by what? Divided by 12. Then we'll now come and we'll see that this number is what? Is an improper fraction. We need to reduce it. So what is the highest common factor that can go through 32 and 8? And 12. We can see that 4 can go through 32 and what? And 12. So we divide the numerator by 4. We also divide the denominator by what? By 4. So if you do that, we have 32 divided by 4. That will give us what? That will give us 8. While 12 divided by 4, that will give us 3. It's still an improper fraction. So how many times can 3 go in 8? 2 times. Okay? Because 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times, remember what? 2 over 3. Okay? Alright. So this is our answer. So 3 can go in 8 2 times. Okay? 6. Remember 2 over 8. So if you want to confirm, 3 times 2, 6 plus 2, 8 over 3. So we'll put our answer in one corner and then we'll come back for it. Okay? So let's put our answer in one corner. So let's put our answer here. We have 2 whole number, 2 over 3. We'll come back and check that. Okay? To compare our answers. So that is the first method. So the first method, we got 2 whole number, 2 over 3. Let's move to second method. Second method in solving the same problem. Okay? So for us to solve this, what do we do for second method, method 2? We still have 6 whole number, 5 over 12 minus what? 3 whole number, 3 over 4. So for this method, we are going to subtract the whole part separately, and then the fractional part, we subtract them also separately. Okay? So if you solve that, that will give us what? That will give us 6 minus 3, 6 minus 3, okay, done separately, plus, you open a bracket, then we have 5 over 12 minus what? 3 over what? Over 4. We close the brackets. Okay? We close that bracket. So what do we have? Now, the whole parts. 6 take away 3 will give us what? Will give us 3. Plus, now, this fractional part, the LCM of 12 and 4. Okay? So let's do that. LCM of 12 and 4. So 2 here, 6, 2 here, 2. 2 here, 3, 2 here, 1, then 3. So the LCM now is what? Is 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. Then we'll come here and we'll write our LCM 12. Okay? So how many 12 can go in 12? 1. Okay? 1 times 5 is what? Is 5. Minus. Remember, we are dealing with negative. You put your minus sign there. How many 4 can go in 12? 4 in 12 is what? Is you go 3 times. So 3 times the rate of 3 will give us 9. Then we'll come to the other side and we'll write. What do we write? We'll write 3 whole number, this one, plus. Now, what is 5 take away 9? 5 minus 9 will give us minus 4. Okay? Minus 4. Divided by what? Our denominator, what? 12. So we'll come here and write 3 whole number. Okay? What is plus times minus? Is minus. Now, remember, we can simplify 4 and 12. Okay? How many 4 can go in 4, 1? How many 4 can go in 12? We have 3. Okay? So we have 1 over 3. So what is the LCM here? Okay, I told you that every whole number, they have 1 as denominator. Okay, and so the LCM of 1 and 3 is what? Is 3. So we have 3. Okay, now how many 1 can go in 3? 3. 3 times 3, 9. Minus, how many 3 can go in 3? 1. 1 times numerator 1 is still what? Is still 1. Alright? And then at the end of the day, we'll come to this side to get our final answer. So 9 take away 1 is what? 8. So we have 8 divided by 3. And if you simplify that, how many times can 3 go in 8? 3 in 8 is 2. So we have what? 2 number. Sorry for that. 2 number. Okay, 2 over 3. 2 number, 2 over 3. You can see the answer we got here is exactly the same thing with what we got when we use the first method. So you can use any of the methods to solve problems. Now let's move to example 2. Okay, example 2, method 1. Okay, so example 2 now, right away. So what is example 2? Method, let's start with first method, method 1. Okay, example 2, method 1. We have 8 whole number, 7 over 9, minus 4 whole number, 5 over 9. Okay, so let's solve this quickly. So the first thing to do is to multiply our denominator with the whole number. Okay, so let's quickly do that. So we have 9 times 8 will give us 72. 9 times 8 is 72. So 72 plus 7 will give us 79. Okay, so we have 79 divided by 9. Are we together? All right, so minus 9 times 6 and 9 times 4 will give us 36. So 36 plus 5 will give us what? Will give us 41. Okay, 41 divided by 9. So the next thing is to find the LCM of our denominator. What is the LCM of 9 and 9? Is still 9. Okay, when you have the same denominator, that is exactly the LCM. You don't need to calculate anything. So we have the LCM is what? Is 9. How many 9 can go in 9? 1. So 1 times 79 here is 79. Minus, remember we are dealing with minus. So 9 in 9, 1. 1 times 41 is still what? Is still 41. So we'll come to this side and then we'll subtract 79 from 41. So 79 take away 41. That will give us 38. Okay? So we have 38. 38 divided by what? Divided by 9. So the next thing is that this is an improper fraction. And for us to what? To solve this, we'll now look at how many times can what? Can 9 go in 38? Okay? That is 4 times, because 9 times 4 is 36. Okay? Alright. 9 times 4 is 36. So we have, it can go 4 whole number, 36. Subtract 36 from 38, you get 2. So 2 over 9. Okay, so 9 in 38, 4 times. Remember 2 over your denominator. So let's put this answer in one corner. So let's put it in here. 4 number, 2 over 9. So that we can compare our results at the end of the day. By the time we use the second method, we'll compare our result with this one. So let's move to second method we can use in solving this. So method 2. Still the same question. Now, to solve this using method 2, all we need to do is to separate what? The whole part from the fractional part. Okay? Meanwhile, we are subtracting. We subtract the whole parts from the whole part. Subtract fractional part from fractional part. So let's start. Here, our whole part here is what? 8 subtract 4. Plus, then you open a bracket. Okay, when you open a bracket, Okay? When you open a bracket, you have 7 over 9. Take away 5 over 9. Okay? Because our fractional part is what? 7 over 9. Then the other fractional part is also 5 over 9. Okay? Can you see that? So you subtract whole number from whole number. You subtract fractional number from fractional number. So what is 8 take away 4? 8 minus 4 will give us what? Will give us 4. Plus, now, for the one in the bracket, we look for the LCM. What is the LCM of 9 and 9? It is still 1 and 9. The LCM of 9 and 9 is 9. So, how many 9 can go in 9? 1. 1 times 7 is what? 7. Minus, how many 9 can go in 9? 1. 1 times numerator 5. 5. Then we'll come to this side and we'll write 4 plus. Now, what is 7 take away 5? 7 minus 5 is what? 2. Divide by what? Our denominator 9. So at the end of the day, you merge the two together. Okay? You can't leave the answer this way. So you merge it together. That will give us 4 number 2 over 9. So this is our answer. Okay? For method 2 now. Okay? For method 2, this is our answer. You can see we got the same answer with the former one. Okay? Alright. So let me give you your assignment for today. Take your assignments. Alright? So your assignment is that assignments. Okay? For the assignments, you have to simplify the following fractions. Simplify the following what? Fractions. And what are the fractions? Let me quickly give you the assignments. Number 1. Okay? Number 1. What do we have? We have 4 1 over 6. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And then number 5. Okay? These are your 5 assignments, and you have to simplify all these and their subtractions. Okay? So all you need to do is to solve the problems, submit them to your school teachers for appropriate marking, awarding of marks, and corrections. And by so doing, you get better by the day. Okay? Mathematics is fun. Very simple. Now, before you go, I want you to like this video. Drop your comment in the comment section telling us how to serve you better, where we need to improve, and also the topics you want us to drop in our next video. Okay? And also share this video to all your friends all over the world. Share it to your family members, share it to all your friends, share it to your neighbors, share it to everyone, okay, all over the world. And most importantly, click on the subscribe button. Alright? Remember, mathematics is fun. And the only way to know mathematics and to become a mathematician is by constant practice. Practice mathematics every day and you become an expert in mathematics. Okay? That is, you become a mathematics guru. Alright? Until I come your way again next time, My name still remains Mathematician Okon Udom, and I'm saying to you, remain mathematically sound. See you in my next class. Bye for now.